Hi Capricorn, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Capricorn. For your daily energies, I'll be picking few cards, guys. For your career situation and love energies, we'll be picking cards separately for your career situation and your love situation. So these are for your general energies. These cards may relate to your career situation and your relationship, guys. So these are for your career situation, Capricorn, and these are for your relationship, and we will open these cards as we proceed into the reading, guys. So let's start with the daily reading first. It's Alchemist of Spheres, the Lovers, and Eight of Sons. Capricorn, with these cards in your situation today, I see that there is a person or a circumstance blocking your way forward. So something obstructing your progress. It may be in your career or in your personal life, and this person is arrogant and selfish, and they are a strong-willed and determined person. Someone, maybe it may be your mentor or your team leader, someone blocking your way of progress or acting as an obstacle. And I also see that all your struggles that you have, maybe because of this person or that circumstance, all that is going to change for better. You are going to see a positive change, and you are reflecting within yourself, and you are choosing that direction of your life, what you need to do. You have that clarity, you are getting that clarity, and you may be extremely lucky today, Capricorn. Luck is also helping you today, and you will see rapid developments in your circumstance. So something what you were expecting or something which was blocking, all that is simply disappearing from your situation, and you are seeing rapid developments and good positive progress in your situation today, guys. And for some of you, it may even mean a proposal with this person. You are planning to propose to them and moving towards a proposal, or they are coming to propose to you. So that is also what I see here, guys. And this person you are in connection with, you may have that true love with that person. This may be what to say, love at first sight, maybe for some of you. So things are just falling into place with this person, and you have that love and affection with them, something quite impulsive, that passionate romantic kind of a connection with this person, and you are progressing very quickly into a proposal or marriage with them within a short time. So that is what I see with these cards, guys, for your daily energies. So these energies may relate to your career situation or personal life, guys. So let us see what are the cards for your career situation first, Capricorn. It's the High Priestess, Page of Wands, and Six of Wands. With these cards, Capricorn, for your career situation, you are a person of great knowledge. You know what is the right thing to do in your career, and maybe today you are celebrating some initial success, maybe in your situation. Something is starting, some kind of projects or some financial investments, whatever is that. You are progressing in a very positive way, and you feel that happiness, and you are enjoying this victory today. And you are a very creative person, action is what is important to you, and you are a person of action. So whatever you need to do, you do it with that determination. And maybe today you may think that this success may be because of your efforts, but there are people helping you as a team, so you need to give credit to them also, guys. And I also see that whatever was missing, maybe something you would have felt, that missing link for your success or some kind of completion in your career, you are able to identify that, and you are getting that missing link today. So that is what I see with these cards for your career situation, guys. For your relationship, let us see what are the cards here for your relationship. We will open these cards now. The Emperor, the Magician in reverse, Four of Swords. Capricorn, with these cards I see that you are in deep thought about something. You are thinking about your next step in this connection. So maybe for some of you, you are taking a break from your connection, thinking within yourself whether you need this person in your life. And you are a person of certain ideals and beliefs. You have a particular way of going about in your life. Your views and your ways may be quite severe, and that may work against you in this connection. But if you are single, if you are in separation, I see that there is someone coming, someone new coming towards you, interested in love. But if you are in a connection, I see that you both are in some kind of separation today. You are taking a break. You are willingly taking that break to get that understanding and whatever you need to do with this person in this connection. So for that clarity, you are staying away from them. And you for some of you, you may be extremely stressed thinking about this person or thinking about your past person. Something is stressing you a lot today, Capricorn. That is what I see for your relationship, guys. And if this reading resonated, guys, please like and comment. Though these cards may denote something negative, Capricorn, our life is in our hands. So all that we make for ourselves is truly in our power. So these are just cards. They may point towards certain things that we can change to make things go in a better way, guys. So that is what I would say if we get some negative kind of reading. So that is the reading, Capricorn. I hope you like this reading. If you like this reading, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I'll see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.